Hi, we're Securitas. We'll show you how to use screen watermarks to secure data on your screen when working in the office and at home. We suggest 3 ways. I'll explain step by step. The first method is to see how the watermark is always displayed on the PC when working in the office. And the watermark is displayed only when remotely connected to the company's server when working at home. Of course, you don't need to install the watermark program on your home PC. The above this screen is that you have logged on your PC from the office. You can see a watermark on the screen. Now, let's run Microsoft's Paint program as a remote app. You can see a watermark is displayed in the window of the Paint program executed by the remote app. Let's run the remote desktop. You can see the watermark is also displayed on the remote desktop. Even running Citrix XenApp and XenDesktop, you can see that the watermark is displayed above the XenApp. Let's run Citrix Notepad XenApp. You can see that the watermark is displayed above the XenApp. Now, when working from home, let's see what happens when you connect to the company server remotely. The screen watermark program is not installed on the home PC, and the watermark is not normally visible. Now, let's run the remote app. When you run the remote app, you can see that the watermark is displayed in full screen. If you close remote app, watermark will also close. Let's run remote desktop. You can see the watermark is displayed inside remote desktop. Now, let's run Citrix XenDesktop. The watermark is only visible in XenDesktop. Now let's run Citrix XenApp. When XenApp is launched, the watermark is only displayed within XenApp. The second method is only to show the watermark on the screen when working on remote desktop, remote app, and XenApp when working in the office. And only to display the watermark when working on the screen while working on the remote desktop or remote app of the company server when working at home. You have logged on your PC in your office. Watermark is not displayed until remote connection. Now let's run the remote app. When you run the remote app, you can see the watermark is displayed in full screen. If you close remote app, watermark is also closed. Let's run remote desktop. You can see the watermark is displayed inside the remote desktop. Also, the watermark only shows up when running Citrix XenDesktop or XenApp. When you close XenDesktop or XenApp, watermark closed as well. If you are working at home, it behaves as described in the first method. The third method is that the watermark is not displayed at all in the office, and the watermark is only visible when working remotely from home. We hope these various combinations will help you protect your data. Thanks for watching this video.